Yes guys, welcome back to Chef Hampshire, where today we're going to be making a sweet and sour tofu and pepper Hong Kong style. Let's do this. So we're going to start with our tofu because it will take the longest. We've got Cauldron's organic tofu. Just going to drain it, cut it up into about centimetre cubes and fry them off in some oil on a high heat just so it can crisp up. We can leave it to one side just while it cooks through and crisps up. And then we'll chop up our peppers and add them in with the tofu after about 10 minutes and the tofu started to brown, and then we can all leave that on one side just to keep cooking whilst we make the sauce. So now that we've cut up all of our peppers, we can just add that into the pan with the tofu and give it a little mix up. So now we've got our tofu and peppers just frying off to the side, and then now I've got a small pot where we're going to start with the sauce, so the sweet and sour sauce. Going to first go in with 250 ml of pineapple juice and then mix in 200 grams of demerara sugar just until it dissolves. You can go with any brown sugar as you want. Then you want to go in with 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of your rice wine vinegar or white wine vinegar, and then 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. You want to mix it, leave it for a few minutes just to reduce down, and then you can add it in with the tofu and peppers, and then you're basically done. So here I've gone with a paste of 2 tablespoons of corn flour and a bit of water just to dissolve it down in. You then want to add that into the sauce just to then help it reduce and thicken it up. So now it's got that red colour, it's got that beautiful aroma and smells to it. Just add that in, let it thicken it up, mix it so then you can cook through the flour as well, and then we'll add it in with our tofu and veg. So now I've added the corn flour, I've let it reduce a little bit, it's gotten a bit thicker. I gave it a quick whisk just to amalgamate all of those ingredients. We're now going to add it into the pot with our tofu and peppers that has now got bits of charring on it. It's beautifully cooked through and it's nice and tasty. We're going to add it together, let all those flavours, and then we're going to serve it up with some just nice plain rice. There you have it, the sweet and sour tofu with rice, done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Subscribe and follow me both on YouTube and Instagram. Leave a comment below saying what you thought about this. If you want to see more of this content, then drop a comment saying I liked it. Thanks for watching and peace.